this video, we will show you how to install Docker for Windows. First, you can open docker.com and then choose Get Started for free. We suggest you to sign up first on docker.com so you can log in onto Docker Hubs. And then you can select Get Docker here and you can choose Docker Desktop for Windows. In here, you can download from Docker Hub. If you don't have account, you can register and for free. And then you can click Get Docker. After that, you can click Save and double click to install. Let's try to install the Docker file setup. You can double click, and for successfully to install, you need to activate Hyper-V on your computers. You can open your BIOS and enable it. And follow the guides. You can click OK in here. Then you need to close and restart after the installation complete. Then, if you successfully install Docker, there is Docker icon on your tray icon or on your taskbar. You can open it by double clicking in there. And your Docker has been successfully installed. That's all.